Holly, and it is time to open up some knit crates. Okay, so you guys know I moved at the end of September to Texas. Well, there's a neighbor's dog in my yard, I'm sorry. So my hair's crazy back there. Okay, anyways, whatever guys. You know me, rabbit trails. Anywho, the September crate was late for us members that do these demos and stuff, so I knew I wasn't going to get it in time. So I just waited till I got, you know, it got all shipped here to Texas when I moved to Texas. Well, I ended up getting the September and the October crate the same time when I went to my post box, but I actually got not just one or two, like, you know, October, September. I actually got a third one. So I don't know what's in any of these ones. I don't know which box is the September box. I don't know which one is the October box. My dog's about to lose her mind because here comes a stray dog into my yard right now. Maybe to go away.
No.
It's gone now. Look at it. I put her in the other room. She's still barking. She's a bad dog. I'm kidding. She's a sweet dog. So we're going to go ahead and open these up one by one and figure out, did I get 2 September crates or 2 October crates? Or did they send me some weird random third crate that's not neither September or October? Right, guys? Who knows? We shall see. Let's just hope. Okay, so I think September had this like blue, purple, and gray. I would have loved to get the purple. But you guys know me. I'm not getting the one I like because that would just be logical. So all I've done is cut the tape. It's kind of hard here. I'm sitting on the floor. So I'm going to open it. Is there a paper?
No.
Is there yarn? Just yarn in there? What did it get? It's like tan. I don't. This must be October's crate then. Let's see. Yes, this is October's crate. Oh, this is that cool yarn. Remember the yarn I got over the summer, honey? That was orange. That looks like it's like braided together. It's just like that. So this was October's crate, and I'm just looking. You could have gotten a green, a purple, or a cream. This green would have been amazing. Oh my goodness, I would have loved to get in the green. Okay, but I got these 2 skeins of this cream. My kid's sitting right there trying to tell me what's in the box, like I won't eventually get to it. Okay. First time doing this video, I have no idea. All right, so this is the Vitellana by KnitCrate. It is their Ascendance, and it's called Broken Stones. It's 100% fine Peruvian Highland wool. It is a sport weight and 328 yards. Ooh, you know what? Oh my gosh, I wonder if anybody is wanting to get rid of their green, because I want the green to go with this bone. Wouldn't that make something really cute, honey? Like this green with the bone. I might have to get online and try to buy some more of this because I really like this. It's really pretty, you guys. And it's 100% wool. So it's not like soft. Ooh, it's so soft. But it is soft for what they call like a sticky wool. Something that's good for color work and stuff. It is really, really soft. And this bone color, let me see if I can get it up. Get the camera. That's pretty accurate. It's really pretty. And you guys see how the strands look like they're braided together. So pretty. Okay. And they also gave a beautiful stitch marker. But let's see. Bling Your String custom stitch marker. Let me get it up there, see if you guys can see it. This is what my son was like, Mom, there's something in the box. Because I don't look through the whole box, you guys. So I got a cute stitch marker and the 2 skeins of yarn, and I love it. Like I said, I would have liked the green, but I really do like, this is a good natural color that'll go with a lot of stuff. So I'm super excited about that. And let's see, you always get 2 patterns. Usually get a knit and a crochet pattern. So let me just see if I can get to it. The patterns. Okay, so it looks like this crochet one is, what is it? It's a blanket and bonnet set. That's cute. Really cute. You guys know I never make the patterns. So just do whatever I want with it. But that's okay. And then there is the inspiration for November on the back. Ooh, it's all like really deep. Let's see, is that focusing? Deep, deep colors. Really interesting. I'm super intrigued to get to that one. So that is box number 1, which was the October knit crate. I'm just gonna grab box number 2. Okay, you guys, I could have got 2 Octobers and 1 September, or 2 Septembers, 1 October. I don't know. Let's see what's in this box, you guys. Can they see? Is there paper on there? No, just yarn?
No paper, just yarn.
I don't know what this is. It's the purple from September. No, this is October. I got 2 Octobers, you guys. So I got the purple. so what did I want? The green. And what did I get? The white and the purple. But okay. Oh, I love it. Look at it. This one is, so it's the same, Vitellana. They're Ascend base. It's the tassel colorway. Okay, I love the purple. Look at the different tonals in there. Okay, super. Okay, you guys. Okay, I need to get the green now because the three together would be stunning in like a sweater or something. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm super glad I got the purple. And I did get another stitch marker. Is it different than the other one? I'm looking. It's a different color. Same stitch marker, but like a different color. This one's like, got a little like orange and stuff. Really, really cute. Super cute. I love them. I'm super excited, you guys. I got 2 for October and I love both the colors. I just need to get that green and I'd be in heaven. So if this is another October and it's green, I'd be super happy. But I'm going to go ahead and guess that this is the September box. Like I said, they had a purple, a blue, and a gray, I believe. So see what we get. Ready, guys?
There's paper.
There's paper. Of course there is. Can they see it now?
Mm-hmm.
What did I get? I got more purple. That's the one I wanted. Okay, so this is the September one. And September you could have gotten right over here, this one here. The purple, the blue, or the gray, which I would have loved all 3 of those. But I got the purple. And this is the Yuri yarn. It is also by KnitCrate. It's one of their in-house. And then this is their Silk DK in the color Beauty Berry. It is 85% merino wool, 15% silk, and you get 300 yards. I love it. Look. It's so purpley. And this one, it's got some paper bits on it. But this one is really soft. That's silk in there. Look at how shiny it is. Do you hear my dog barking in our bedroom?
And the neighbor's dog.
Because she's barking at the neighbor. She's a bad dog. You guys, Pepper Pineapple's a mess all the time. But okay, this is so pretty. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Do you see right here? You can't because the toe is glaring. That is the proper pineapple colorway, which is actually this one right here. And it is DK, and it's 2 skeins, and I needed 2 more skeins to make anything cool out. How cool. See, because this is the same color. Would this purple go with it? Ah, super excited. Okay. And I got a button. Love this button. Okay, let's see if I can get it to focus on it. It's like that oil spill metal, and it's just little knitting needles in a ball. Love it. Sorry about the crazy dogs. And of course they did have the October sneak peek on the back, but that's kind of pointless to show you as I just opened 2 boxes of the October yarn. So, but this was the sneak peek. I'm believing the pink was probably like a sock one. Oh, the patterns for September. I should tell you about the patterns, shouldn't I? Because that's what we do. Okay, it looks like for the crochet, you get this pattern for this tank top. That's pretty cool. I don't really wear a lot of tank tops. Actually, that is a lie. I wear tank tops almost every day, but usually underneath my other shirts. I have fat, flabby, pasty white arms. Nobody wants to see them. Okay. It's a complete rabbit trail. But look at how much pretty yarn I got. Okay, so this DK I'm in love with. And then these 2, what is this, a sport? Did it say sport? I think it said sport, which is smaller than DK. I'm loving these. And I really am going to get online and try to get the green because I think you could make something really cool with the 3 of them. Maybe I'll make a pattern. Or maybe I'll just throw them on my bed and squish them.
Yep.
That should be my thumbnail. It was like, That's gonna be my thumbnail. But you already know if I used it as a thumbnail. But okay guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I can't wait to get November's. I have no idea, I don't know, because you know, the membership box is a surprise every month. It could be fingering weight, it could be DK, sport, worsted. I've gotten bulky, super bulky, Aran, all of those. I've gotten them all. So you never know what you're gonna get, and there's usually 3 colors. You can go in and choose like warms, neutrals, whatever, but I just let it ride and get whatever I get, right? I love it that way. So there's lots of things you can get. I love it. It's such a surprise every month, and it's so much fun. And to be honest, I think I've only had like 2 or 3 since I started getting this that I was just like, this really isn't my colorway. And then I just put it in a giveaway or give it to a friend or do something like that. I love it, and I have so much fun opening. So if you have not signed up for KnitCrate and you want to because it's a blast, please use my link down below. It is right below, and you will get 20% off your first purchase. I'm super excited. Oh, and use the code pineapple20. Okay, use code pineapple20, use the link down below, get 20% off your first purchase. And stay tuned for something really cool with all of these. Just yarn. But I gotta get out of here because my dog's still barking like a maniac.